How's it going, everyone? It's GadgetsBoy. Welcome to another video. In this one, we're going to be taking a look at the 2023 HP Spectre x360 laptop. It's a fantastic laptop. The 360 basically means you can fold the screen all the way to the back, the display, all the way to the back and put it into like tablet mode, temp mode, or you can use it as a normal laptop for day-to-day use. It comes with a nice leather pouch in the box as well, which is really good. It keeps your laptop scratch-free. It's nice and soft, and it just feels really premium. So this is a premium laptop, by the way. It's rocking the latest 13th gen Intel Core i7 processor. It's on the Intel Evo platform, so you can expect a really good performance coming from the HP Spectre x360. In the box, you also get a 135 watts charging brick, which means you can charge this up very quickly if you need to do so. And you can also charge it via USB-C as well, but I believe it's much faster, much better using that proprietary charger that comes in the packaging itself. And of course, you get HP Spectre x360 itself, which looks amazing. I love the design of this thing. I love the color that this comes in. It's rocking Bang & Olufsen speakers that are very punchy, sounds amazing as well. There's minimal bezel around the display, which is good. I hate too much bezel on there. You got a nice HP logo on the front of the lid and on the inside as well. The keyboard is really nice to type on as well, especially the travel just feels really good to type on. Helps you type really fast and get the work done that you need to get done. This is all about productivity and being creative. It's a touchscreen display. It's a UHD plus display and it's OLED as well. So you're getting a punchy display. The blacks looks good. The brightness level, 400 nits of peak brightness on this thing, and it looks really good. It also has anti-glare on there, which means when you're using in direct sunlight, like it's summertime right now in London, it's a good time to take this outside and actually use it and enjoy that display as well without worrying about the glare, which is very, very much important to me, especially when it comes to editing videos, editing photos. I hate the glare because they put me off and they make me squint. So I'm glad that's something that's there. You also have a 5 megapixel camera, infrared camera, which also supports Windows Hello, which means you can use your face to log into your laptop very quickly without having to type in any keypad, combination. It also has a fingerprint sensor as well. If you prefer to log into the laptop using your fingerprint sensor, you can do that as well. As far as privacy goes, there are a few buttons on here, 3 buttons. So one is there to stop the microphone, so mutes the microphone, so no application on there can access it. Same for the webcam as well, and same for the speaker. So if you want to have complete privacy, you can tap those buttons and you're good to go. The display is 16 by 10, which is good for productivity. It just means it's stretched a bit further, so you'll be able to fit more on the screen and you can fit more side by side, and it just looks really good. Great for productivity, and I love that. As for the ports, you have various ports available. So on the right side, for example, you have one USB-C port, which is a Thunderbolt 4 support. You have your proprietary charging ports there, and there's also right on the corner, which is pretty neat, is another USB-C port, which I really like what they've done there. It looks really cool. And on the left side, you have a full USB Type A port, one full HDMI port, and you have your headphone port, which also supports microphone as well. So it's a audio microphone combo jack. In terms of Wi-Fi connectivity, you have Intel Wi-Fi 6E. So it works really well. It's AX211, so 2x2. You have Bluetooth 5.3 wireless card in there as well, and one micro SD card reader. Having that micro SD card reader is really important to me. So when I film using my GoPro, for example, or my drone, I can take the memory card out straight away, plug it straight into this laptop, into the HP Spectre x360, and start editing from there straight away. So having those ports there makes life much easier. The display is 60 Hz, so it's not the fastest refresh rate, but I think 60 Hz is more than enough for what I do in terms of editing photos, videos, and even some gaming as well. 60 Hz is more than enough. One thing to also mention while I remember is the keyboard is also backlit. So if you want to use it when there's low light situation, makes it easier to see what you type in darkness. Also, I don't know why you type when it's dark or anything like that, but if you need to, it's there for you. It's backlit, ready to go. More on the processor. So this is a 13th gen Intel Core i7 processor. It's based on Intel Evo i7, like I said already. It's the 1360p to be exact in terms of processor. And for graphics, we have Intel Arc A370M, 4GB VRAM. So in terms of graphics and processing power, this works really well. In fact, I put it through some tests in terms of PC Mark and 3D Mark, and it excels really well, especially when it comes to PC Mark, which focuses more on the processing power. You get something that's above a gaming laptop and an office laptop. So this will allow you to process things. You can throw a lot at this thing, and it just handles it with no hiccups, no problems at all. When it comes to the graphics, it's not as good as your gaming laptop, but this is not meant to be aimed at gamers. This is not a gaming laptop. This is a productivity, creativity laptop. So although I haven't said that though, chuck Apex Legend at this, connects your Xbox controller, and you can game all day long on this with no hiccups. It's smooth, it works really well, it doesn't freeze, it doesn't crash, and that is very good for me. I think you can go by all the Geekbench and all these benchmarking tools, but in reality, the fact is this can handle your gaming, it can handle 4K video editing. So I've chucked it on Premiere, Adobe Premiere, and it edited my 4K video, and being able to scrub through and drag things, take things out, works really well. One thing I do love as well is it doesn't get hot. So even with all that extra power, extra task pointed at this thing, it's not heating up, which is really good, especially if you can have it on your laptop, which you should probably, if you can have it on your lap, sorry, which you probably shouldn't do. You can be rest assured this is not going to get too hot. And the fan did not kick in until I was running Adobe Premiere in the background and gaming whilst something was rendering. That's when the fan started to kick in, and I was like, whoa, that's obviously going to happen. So that aside, it's a quiet laptop. So if you're not doing anything that's like video editing and stuff like that, the fan is nice and quiet. So this works really well. All round laptop, this is a really good laptop. The display quality is amazing when it comes to that OLED display. You can watch videos in like 4K and it looks really good. So I watched a few videos just to see what that looks like, and it was punchy. It was very nice. The colors, the contrast, the darks and stuff like that, blacks in there, just looks really good. So I think all in all, HP have done a really good work here. In terms of the battery life, you have a 6-cell 83 watt-hour battery in there, and obviously you have that 135 watts charging brick, which allows you to charge it back up very quickly. This will last you about between 8 and 10 hours, which is an all-day battery life, but it depends how you use it and what you do. But for my kind of usage, I was getting around 8 hours of use out of it, and that's like editing videos and playing games on it. So 8 hours is still more than enough for me. I think that's brilliant. I think 8 hours, I don't work longer than that in a day. So I can plug it in again, charge it up, ready for the next day and ready for my work day. So I think, like I said, overall, this is an excellent laptop. I have nothing bad to say about it. I think it's a really good laptop. It's a good looking laptop. I love this little champagne goldy looking color or bronzy color. I can't really tell. Just chamfered all around it, including that trackpad area. It's just on the edge of it. It looks really good, and performance is good. Typing on here is good. It's great for productivity and creativity as well. So yeah, all around laptop, this is a really good laptop. If there's anything I can say maybe qualms with it, it would be that it's got a bit of weight on it. So if you're going to be using like a tablet mode, I don't think this is something you're going to be carrying in tablet mode, you know, like so for a long period of time, because that's got a bit of weight on it. In fact, this weighs around 2.15 kilograms, this weighs. So if you're going to be using it in the tablet mode like this, be rest assured your arm's going to be aching after a while, and you're going to have to put it back down again. But if you have a stand, if you have something that you want to put it on or anything like that, you can use it like that and get a pen that supports it as well from HP as an accessory, and you can just sketch on it, write notes on it, do all kind of different things on it. So that it does give you that option if you really need to. So I wouldn't say too much of a negative thing to say about it, but that would be my only bad thing that I would say about it. But other than that, excellent laptop. But yeah, that's it for the HP Spectre x360. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you have any questions, drop them there as well. I'll do my best to answer those questions for you. But in the meantime, if this is your first time around here, please subscribe and smash the like button and share it as well. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.